Hey guys, I'm Chani and you're watching The Art of Science. When a source of light falls on an object, the object reflects this light. This reflected light enters our eye and allows us to see them. In paint, we have three primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. These mix to give us the three secondary colors, which are purple, green, and orange. Just like this, light is a combination of three primary colors, which are red, green, and blue colors. These three primary light colors, red, green, and blue, combine to give us white light. The phones and computers you are using to watch this video right now also uses the RGB color system to make combinations of these three primary colors to give many more colors and represent them on your screens. Here are the three primary colors of light. To show these, all you have to do is take a torch and add layers of red colored cellophane paper as shown to give a red light. A red cellophane paper blocks all the other colors and only enables the red light to flow through it. Now repeat the same for green and blue lights as well. Just like the secondary colors in paint, light also has secondary colors. If we merge the red and blue light, we get the secondary color magenta. On merging the blue and green lights, we get cyan. And on merging the green and red lights, we get the color yellow. These are the secondary colors of light. In fact, all the printers use the three colors cyan, magenta, and yellow for color printing. The three secondary colors of light combine to give us black color. Now, let's move on to understand how objects absorb and reflect light. We have three objects of the colors red, green, and blue. Under a white light, the red object absorbs blue and green light and reflects red light that enters our eye. Similarly, the green object reflects green light, and the blue absorbs green and red light and reflects blue. Let's see what happens to these objects under colored lights. Notice how under a red light, the red object appears to be red, but the green and blue object appears black in color. This happens because these objects do not have the colors green and blue lights to reflect since we have blocked it using the cellophane paper. Similarly, under a blue light, the blue object will appear blue and the green and red objects will appear black. The same happens with the green light as well. But what happens to white and black objects, you ask? Well, a white object does not absorb any of the colors. It reflects all three colors, which merge and give us the white light, and the object appears white in color. But under colored light, it will appear as the same color as the light since that's the only one that's available to reflect. Black objects absorb all colors that fall on them and hence they will always appear black in color. Before we check out how to use this property of colors to make colorful shadows, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Under a white light, the shadow appears black. The same happens under a red light, green light, and a blue light. But when we combine two or more primary colors of light, red, green, and blue, they give us shadows in the secondary colors cyan, magenta, and yellow. And if you notice, these three secondary colors merge together to give us a black shadow. I have linked the video up here and in the description box as well. This video contains a DIY that you can follow to set this up and create shadows of different colors. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you try this DIY or have any questions, leave us a comment below and we'll see you next week.